Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how a heart works. We all know that heart is a very important part of our body and that heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. But how does heart do this work? So basically, what does a heart do? A heart first collects the impure blood through veins. Okay, so the right part of the heart, so generally I'll just show it to you here. So the right part of the heart, it collects the impure blood from all parts of the body, and then it sends this to lungs. Right, so what does lungs do? Lungs take this impure blood and it oxygenates the impure blood, and it also removes the carbon dioxide. Okay, that's why we exhale carbon dioxide and we inhale oxygen. So this oxygen is added to the blood in the lungs and the carbon dioxide is removed from the blood, right? And then the blood gets purified. So what happens after that? After that, the blood goes back to the heart. Okay, and the left side of the heart pumps it back to all parts of the body. Okay, so this is how the heart functions. Now we should know what are the different parts of the heart. So let me take you through them. So here basically we have 4 chambers in the heart. We have 4 chambers, and what are those 4 chambers? The first one is right atrium and right ventricle. So on the right side we have right atricle and right ventricle. So through the right atrium the blood, let me show it again. Let me delete this. Through the right atrium the blood enters into the heart. Okay, so here we have this right atrium, right? So from here the blood enters into the heart. So basically we have this pipes here. These are actually superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, from which the blue one, okay, from which the impure blood, they're actually veins. Okay, through these veins the impure blood enters into the heart, and first it enters into right atrium. So after entering into right atrium it goes into right ventricle. The blood goes into right ventricle, and from right ventricle the blood is sent to lungs. Okay, in lungs the blood gets purified and again it is sent back to the heart through left ventricle, and this pure blood is pumped to left atrium, and from here it goes to aorta, the largest artery, and from aorta it goes to all the parts of the body. Right, so from where does the blood enter into the heart? From right atrium, then it goes into right ventricle, then it goes to lungs, then it comes back to left ventricle, then it comes back to right atrium, then it goes back to aorta, the artery system. So from there it enters into the artery system of the body, and the pure blood is circulated. And why does this heart, why the heart makes sound? Because heart is designed like that. Heart is basically a pump. Okay, have you ever observed a water pump? Generally, if you give some power to the pump, it will send the water from ground floor to the top floor. Right, so basically that is pumping water. Now here here that pump is heart. Okay, so heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, and from where does heart get power? So heart gets power because we have energy inside us, right? With the food we eat, it converts into energy, and there is an electrical system also which helps heart in doing this work. You will be learning about this electrical impulse system in the higher grades. So for right now, what you have to remember is what are the various chambers of heart. There are 4 chambers of heart: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. From where does blood enter into the heart? From right, impure blood enter into the heart from right atrium. From where does the pure blood exit from the heart? From left atrium. Okay, and from which vein does the impure blood enter into the heart? Superior vena cava. And from which artery does the pure blood exit from the heart? From aorta. Okay, these are the things you should know, you should remember. And where is this heart located? Heart is located in the chest, in the thoracic cage. What is thoracic cage? It's nothing but the bone system in the chest, right? We have a rib cage in the chest. In the middle of the rib cage, the heart is situated, and the size of the heart is equal to one's fist. You can just look at your fist, and that's the size of your heart. I hope this video was helpful, and keep looking out for new videos. Thank you.